We are from
KPJ Healthcare University.
Okay, so Madam Nikma, how was about our organic chemistry test? Was it bad?
So actually, to be honest, your result for organic chemistry is quite worrying. I think that's because of the too many organic reactions, the preparations and the synthesis that need to be memorized. So I think we have to find an interesting way to overcome this.
Organic chemistry is considered as a killer subject for most students in pre-university. Lecturers also find it troublesome to help students remember all the different compounds that are found throughout organic chemistry. Therefore, we thought about a way to make a game that not only allows students to understand the preparations and synthesizing of organic compounds, but can also work as flashcards to help students memorize the different substituents that makes an organic compound special.
Many students struggle to understand basic organic chemistry equation, making this a difficult subject for pre-university students. Traditional teaching method frequently fail to engage students in classroom, which resulting in lack of motivation and enthusiasm in the class. Recognizing this significant challenge, we created ChemCards as an innovative solution that will change the way students learn organic chemistry.
The objectives of ChemCards are to help students understand basic organic chemistry equation. Next, to make learning session in class more fun and enjoyable. Lastly, to facilitate effective teaching for lecturers.
So now, I'm going to talk about the process and action plan of the project. We had our first ever meeting on 14 March to discuss the concept and idea for this project. The next meeting was held on 22nd April to discuss the written project. On 16 May, we reviewed the concept of the game together with our lecturer, and then we proceed to produce the card on the same day. The next day, we tried the game out to see if there were any changes to be made. From there, we made improvement and proceed to promote the product to our target audience.
Our product is commercialized to pre-university lecturers and students. ChemCards can be found as an open source material as long as it gives acknowledgement to its creator. This fulfills the Sustainable Development Goals of United Nations number 4, which is quality education for all. We offer customized edition for institutions specific to the educational curriculum and requirements. Lastly, we will provide workshop and training programs to show the effectiveness of ChemCards in teaching organic chemistry.
Now, let's show a tutorial on how to play ChemCards Organic Chemistry. The game consists of 2 decks that needs to be shuffled. The first is question card deck, and the second is reactant card deck.
Each player will receive equal amounts of cards. For this game, each player will receive 5 cards in total.
Reactant card consists of 4 cards. The color yellow are hazard card, while green, blue and grey are reactant cards.
For question cards, there will be 2 colors, yellow which are hazard and red which are product card. A cheat sheet is also provided.
The game starts by showing the first question card. In this case, shows carboxylic acid. Players who have reactants that can produce carboxylic acids can play their cards.
For players who cannot play any cards, they can choose to play their hazard card. In this case, the hazard card asks the player to pick 1 card from the other player.
If players have no cards to play, they have to draw 2 cards. When all players have played their card, a new question card is revealed.
This round shows a hazard card. This card allows player to remove all cards of the same type.
As shown, one of the players have finished all their cards, which means she's the winner.
If there are no winners within 1 hour, the player with the least amount of cards will forfeit as the winner. Okay Shira, today I'm going to ask you a few questions regarding ChemCards that you played just now. First question is, How good was your understanding in organic chemistry?
It's a complex subtopic.
Okay, next is, was ChemCards helpful?
Yes, it is fun to play with my classmates.
I see. Final question, would you like your lecturer to implement ChemCards in the syllabus?
Definitely, it helps a student to strengthen our memory about reaction and preparation.
Okay, thank you.
We wanted to find improvements towards our product. Therefore, a target audience of pre-university students has been chosen to see if ChemCards help them understand organic chemistry better. The result shows that majority of students find organic chemistry to be troublesome. Conventional studying, as listed, have not been effective. But when ChemCards is applied towards this understanding, majority of students agree that ChemCards is useful and that a lot of them wishes it to be implemented in the syllabus. For the first phase, we wanted to introduce a physical version of ChemCards, and in the future, an online platform is provided.
By incorporating ChemCards into the curriculum, educators can significantly improve students' understanding on organic chemistry, while learning more enjoyable and rewarding.